Hello and welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate Lloyds credit card online. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your Lloyds credit card online, first make sure to open up a web browser. In the search box, type in Activate Lloyds credit card and press enter on your keyboard. Go ahead and click on this link that says Activate and set up your credit card / Lloyds Bank, and soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. From this page, you can simply click on this Activate Your Card Online option since we are doing this online in today's video. Click on Activate Your Credit Card button. And now, enter your credit card number available on the credit card in the text box where it says Credit Card Number. Once you do that, you'll need to select your date of birth. Simply select your date of birth from the drop-down beneath and select its expiry date as well. Once you're done entering all of the information for your credit card, click on the Activate button in order to activate your Lloyds credit card online. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.